Assalamu alaikum. Hello boys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to discuss our topic, which is about light and reflection of light. So as we discussed before, how the light travels, then we discussed sources of light. Then we discussed reflectors, poor reflectors and good reflectors of the light. Our unit is how do we see things, as you know. So it will be about light and seeing things around us. So here we have today we are going to use an artificial source of light to investigate some objects. The light source is torch. So it means you will take a torch and then do this activity. Use your torch to investigate objects around the room. Shine the light from the torch and on the different objects. Write down
Hello, teacher.
Hello, teacher.
how are you?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, sir?
I'm fine. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Hello, teacher.
Hey, hello.
How are you, teacher?
My name is Abdullah Faisal.
I'm fine. How are you?
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher.
Yes.
متى سنة؟
أنت
Sorry?
ما قلت quiz?
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Where is the
Quiz
quiz?
there.
Is there?
Don't worry. Quiz will be in the morning. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. Don't worry.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. We have just started the book, so let's concentrate on this. Okay.
Hello, teacher. Okay.
Hello. I will tell you about quiz. Don't worry. Just wait. Okay, so this is your investigation, okay, today. As you know, we are discussing about the light.
Hello, teacher.
Hello.
Teacher, I can't open my camera.
Yes, you can because I closed it. So there is no need to open your camera till now. When I say you can open, okay?
Okay.
Can you remember how light travels? Write down two facts as we did it before. Light travels in a straight line, and here we have an activity about this. Light sources, who will tell me about light sources? Light sources.
The sun,
Okay, Omar Yasir.
torch,
Light,
Okay.
travel,
lamp,
Lamp,
sun,
okay, yes.
moon.
Moon,
Teacher.
okay. And
This is from my brain.
that's great.
Chandelier.
Candle, what is candle? Candle.
Candle.
No, not candle.
Yeah.
Chandelier. I mean candle.
Okay, next. Anyone else? Anything else? Do you know fireflies?
Lamp.
Fire.
Fire.
Yes.
Fire.
Okay, got it.
I said it first.
Okay, got it. I got it. Okay, so here you have an activity to prove that light travels in a straight line. The activity is you will use a torch to investigate objects around you in the room. You will switch off the light of your room. Just switch on the torch and then check. Shine the light on different objects. the different objects in your room. Okay, write down which objects bounce the light and which not. And if you put the light on the mirror, the light will bounce back, right? Like here, it will bounce back, right?
I have a window.
Yes, maybe. So you have to make the list, the things which bounce the light, reflected the light. Okay. So when the light bounces back from an object, we say it has been reflected. It has been reflected. يعني انعكاس. Okay. An object that does this.
Cupboards like mirrors. I
Okay.
have some cupboards here. In the
Yes,
kitchen
maybe
are
they will
like
reflect.
mirrors.
Yes, they will reflect, of course. So an object which does it barely is called poor reflector. Okay. Who is this? Abdullah Faisal, don't talk. Okay, so who will tell me good reflectors? I will give you example. Yes.
Good reflectors,
Yep.
mirror, metal.
Mirror,
Yes.
metal,
Mirror,
Mirror.
mirror and
no, wood reflector is a wooden rock.
mirror is a good reflector and metal is a good reflector. Okay.
Metal.
Wood and rock. Yes, we did it actually, right? Yes. It was just a revision. We did it. Rock. Okay. So these are good and poor reflectors. Done?
Teacher, I don't do it. I don't have the book then.
Okay, now you can do it. Okay, now I will show you how the light reflects. Look, here you can see reflection of light. Okay. The light comes from the light source. It can be torch, it can be sun, it can be lamp, anything. The light comes from that source of light. So you can say on this head, there is a light source. Okay, let me make it black and bigger as well. Okay, on this head, there is a light source. Okay. When the light comes from light source, it touches the surface and reflected to the other side if it is a good reflector or poor reflector. Then on this end, you are there. On this end, you are there to see that thing. If it is reflected, okay, we can call it reflected ray. Reflected ray, shani shua, which is reflected, yani nakas. This from this way, this is called incident ray, which will make this incident. Okay, incident ray. This way, this light, the ray of the light is called incident ray. When it touches the object and goes into our eyes, this is called reflected ray. This at this point, the light is normal. This is the normal point. Okay. So if there is mirror, it will touch the mirror and will be reflected. Understood? Understand or not?
Understood.
Yes,
But I don't know what the incident ray.
Yes. Okay. Okay, so next we have, just 1 second. Okay, here on next page, because this we did it. So the moon is not a source of light. The moon is not a source of light. It is like a giant mirror in the sky. The moon does not make its own light. It reflects the light from the sun. So how this happens, let me show you. Can you see the screen white, right? Yes. Yes. So as we see, here is the sun. Okay. You can say this is the sun. Okay. And here is the earth. If we say, here is the moon. Okay. The light goes from the sun towards the moon. Okay. Then touches the moon and reflected, then comes towards the earth. So we call this sun. Okay. Suppose this is earth. Okay, and this is moon. Got it?
Got it.
Okay.
Got
Okay,
means
Muhammad,
that.
Nadeem, you can understand, right? You are listening me? Omar Yasir, Omar
Yes, yes.
Muhammad.
Yes.
Okay. Dr. Umar, can you hear me? Dr. Umar Muhammad.
Yes, teacher, I hear you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So the light goes from sun towards the moon, touches the moon and comes into our eye. So moon reflects the light actually. Okay, moon is not a source of light. It doesn't have its own light. Understood? Okay, now come in your book. How did the moon landings prove to us that the moon is not a light source? This is the question. So the answer is astronauts could not have walked on the moon, but if it was a light source, it wouldn't be too bright. It would be too bright and hot. Okay, so let me write it for you. If it was
With pencil or with
was-
pen?
whatever you like, no problem. You can write. Pencil is, I think, better than you can erase. If you want a pen, no problem. Erasable pen you can use. It was a light source. It would be too hot and bright like sun. Okay. If it was a light source, it would be too hot and bright like sun. Okay. Then question number 2, what do you think the far side of the moon looks like? Moon looks like what? It is
Cheese.
dark.
Really?
Dark, and it's mean you like cheese, so you see everything like cheese and cold, right? Okay, moon is dark and cold. It looks like from far away.
If it was a light source, it would be too. Oh,
Hot? Yes, too hot.
Too.
It's mean marra zyada hai. Too hot.
too. Too.
Yes, too hot. It's mean too means
Okay.
zyada. There is TO. TO means ila. If you write TO, that is I go to school, like that.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. This means zyada yani. Like if you say I am hungry, you say I am too hungry or very hungry, like that.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So
Finish it.
here, which is not a source of light? Who will tell me which is not a source of light? Sun, candle, eyes, torch, or lamp?
Eyes.
Eyes, nice. Okay. Write the name of material that reflects a lot of light. Yes.
Mirror, mirror,
Mirror.
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 You have glass, you have metal, you have water. You can write here glass. Glass. When light bounces off an object, it is called
Respected, respected, respected.
reflected.
Reflected.
Yes,
Reflected, this teacher.
really, it's mean you will write R is written, okay? Reflected. It is called reflected, right?
I think it's if.
No, it's R is written in your book. Here is R.
Oh, I wrote another R.
So you should be awake. You are sleeping or what?
No.
Okay. Umar Muhammad, finished?
Yes, teacher, I'm finished.
Okay. Abdullah Al-Amri, finished?
Yeah.
Okay, you start finishing this. Let me write your name. Though.
I am finished, teacher.
Okay.
I am finished.
I finished.
I finished.
I am not
طيب.
finished.
If you
everyone
didn't
tell his
finish,
name.
you can say.
Omar, I'm not finished.
I
No.
want to.
Listen to me.
I want to tell you a question.
Okay, just
I
one
can?
second, Abdullah. Boys, if you didn't finish, say it. If you have finished, don't say anything. I will understand you finished. Don't say me
Teacher,
finish, me finish.
Sir, I
Yes,
have a question.
yes,
Can I say
Abdullah.
it now? Teacher,
Yes, Abdullah.
here God reflects mirror and that.
Mirror and metal.
So, I have a question.
Yes, Abdullah, تفضل.
You can اطلع حل بور reflections.
You want me to write here?
Yes.
Okay, I will write, no
الاثنين.
problem. Okay, M-I-double-O.
عشان قبل شوية كتاب
No
كان ضايع.
problem. No problem. I wrote it. Mirror and metal, right?
You're right.
Yallah. And wood. Let me make it red for you. Wood,
Metal and water.
wood and rock. Okay. Anything else, Abdullah?
No.
Okay.
Yes. I want to this also. Can you remember how light travels?
Okay. This I will send you a link and you can do it. Okay. No problem.
Oh, okay.
Teacher, let's move it to another page.
Thank you. I finished.
No, we will move towards activity now. I will send you the quiz also. That is not a quiz. That is actually an activity for you. So, have you done? Min Baki, who didn't finish?
Tommy.
I am finished.
I said who did not finish.
We all teacher finished.
I'm Mohammed Noor. I finished.
Who did
Teacher
not finish?
all finished. All class.
Five. I am going to move towards next. Here. Here we have on this page. You can see how do we see things. This is our topic. An object that gives out light, it is described as what? As luminous. Luminous means source of light, which gives light. Okay, luminous. Okay, that gives out light. How does light from the question? This is the question. Who is that? How does light from a luminous object such as a bulb reaches or reach to the eyes? This is the answer. This is the answer. Light travels in a straight line directly into our eyes. Okay. If it is a source of light, the light will
Which
come.
page?
The light will come directly into your eye. This is not a page. The eyes are scary. Yes, yes, and I know. Don't write anything, it disturbs. Okay, I will give you example. Like this is a sun. Okay, this is sun. And here is your eyes. The light will come directly into your eyes. Okay. Even if this is a bulb or torch or candle, the light comes directly into your eyes. Okay. There is no way to reflect or something. It comes directly from luminous objects. The objects which are luminous, it means they give out light. Understood this point? Any problem in this point?
Ustad, no.
No. Okay.
Stairs.
Yes, yes.
What is this?
This is just to explain,
What
ya
is it?
Habibi. This is just explanation of the lesson today. You read in the book, okay. Now it's worksheet, okay. Now an object that does not give out light, it is called non-luminous. If I ask you what is non-luminous, what is the object which is non-luminous? You will say an object that does not give us light. That is non-luminous.
Surface, teacher. Surface.
Yes, luminous means an object that gives light. That is called luminous. Yani fi noor. If there is light, that is called luminous. And if there is no light, that object is called non-luminous. Like this. Here luminous and here non-luminous. Now, which object you can see is luminous on this page? Who will tell me? Non-luminous object on this page.
Book.
Yes.
Book. Non-luminous book.
Excellent.
And the luminous.
The book is
The
non
luminous is lamp.
Yes.
The luminous is lamp.
Yes, very good. The luminous is the lamp or the bulb. This is luminous, and this object, which is book, is non-luminous. Okay, that's nice. So it means you are here with me. Next is, how does your eye see a non-luminous object? If there is light, you can see directly, like this bulb. You can see light will come directly into your eyes. Like here, you can see the light is coming directly into our eyes. The eyes are so beautiful, right? Then the other part is, if that the object is non-luminous, how can we see? The light comes from the light source, hits the book and or any object or any surface, whatever, hits the surface or touches the surface, and some of this light is reflected into our eyes. So actually the light is reflected into our eyes. Now I will show you the difference between these statements. There is an object and here is the other object, the same, the light object. Okay, this is luminous. Here is the object which is non-luminous, like a book. Here is your eye. This is your eye. Okay. Okay, now the light is coming from where? From the light source or luminous object. It is coming directly. But what about this object? The light from the light source, light is coming, touching the surface, and then coming into our eyes. This is how we see non-luminous object. Understood? This is simple.
Yes.
Yes, we understand.
Okay, that's great.
understand, teacher. I am understand.
Okay. Who did not understand? Yes.
Teacher, we understand, teacher. I understand.
Abdullah Leham, you didn't understand?
Yes.
Okay.
شوف كمان شيء ثاني ايش يعني luminous؟
Luminous, yani that thing which gives out light, like this. Your pen gives you light, your pencil?
No.
No, it's mean that is non-luminous. The pencil is non-luminous and the bulb is luminous. Understand? Now,
Yes.
the bulb is luminous and the book is non-luminous on this page. Okay. So now, how do we see non-luminous objects? You can see through reflection of the light. The light touches the surface and comes into our eyes. Now understand? Minma fam, who did not understand? And
Not me, I understand.
okay, that's great.
I understand.
Okay, so this process that light touches the surface and comes, this is called reflection. This is called reflection. Yes.
Into the eyes.
Reflection. This is called reflection of light. Yani inaqas. Okay. This is called reflection of light. Any problem on this page? Now tell me.
No,
Anyone of you.
no.
Okay. Asil Rabi, are you there? Asil Rabi. Now I will tell you homework after your attempt. Asil, are you there?
Teacher, absent.
I saw him. He came once and then left the class.
Asil is absent.
Okay, let me just write your names. Okay, Asil Rabi. Usama, are you there, Usama? No, he's not there. Then Basil. Basil, I think he left, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Khalid is there, Abdullah Leham is there, Abdullah Faisal is there, Umar is there, Muhammad Ibrahim is Somali, are you there? Yes, okay. Muhammad Nadeem, Muhammad Abdullah Lamri, Yazan, Umar Ala, Muhammad Noor. Everyone is there. That's great. So we have two absentees, which are Asil Rabi and Usama Ghaibin. Okay, now I will tell you homework. What is
Yes.
your homework? Be ready. Who is sending hi? Umar Ala. Okay. So be attentive. I am going to show you your homework.
Wait, what is it?
Here we go. This is your homework. Okay. On the diagram below, draw the lines on reflected ray. How the light is reflecting. Okay. You will draw the light. Okay. Like this sun, the light is coming, touching the tree and coming into our eyes, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
Now you can open your cameras, no problem. If you are alone, you can open your camera. Why you are saying you cannot? Hello.
Teacher,
Abdullah Faisal, understand or not?
I said yes.
Yes,
yes,
you are.
teacher.
Okay. You understood, right? So you will draw the light ray and then draw from here to here. This how it will touch and it will move towards up or down or where. This will touch here and goes here or there. You will draw and send it to me, okay?
Okay.
I will send this now in your group.
Okay.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Okay, teacher. Okay. Goodbye.
Sir, can you send this on WhatsApp?
Yes, I will send this now in your school group. Okay. Yes, Abdullah.
في homework?
This
Yes,
is
you did
homework,
not
yeah,
see
Faisal. I
it.
told you, na. Make this worksheet. This is your homework.
I think you did not hear.
Abdullah Lehan, sit properly. What is this? You're yawning.
He will say, sir will send the homework in what?
Yes, I will send now.
In
Okay.
WhatsApp.
Now I will send you within a minute. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye.